Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and today we're going to do a little bit of a quick fix because I've just recently received these three Bandai Auto Morphin Power Rangers figures, and one of them doesn't work, and I thought it would be fun to try and work out why it doesn't auto morph. Now, I don't actually know a huge amount about these figures. In fact, I hadn't actually seen them until very recently. Jeremy over on the Tokyo Toy Banzai channel was doing a video about the Pepsi Man figure, and he showed that figure which has the exact same mechanism and then mentioned these Power Ranger figures, and then it's just by chance that they turned up here as well. So I want to see if I can get this working. So what is supposed to happen? Well, if we take this figure here, you press the button on the front and the auto morph feature means that the head flips over and it turns into the sort of Power Ranger outfit. You can see this figure does exactly the same. We press the button and the auto morph feature really sort of flips over and it works perfectly. But this one in the middle, when we press the button, nothing happens. It just seems to be jammed. In fact, you can get it to move. You just got to sort of give it a bit of a push. So there's something going on with this mechanism, and I want to see if we can fix it. So hopefully this will be a nice little quick fix, and I'll learn something about a toy line that I've never worked on before. Right, so here are the two figures, and the weirdest thing has just happened, which is why when you're filming videos like this, you never know what's going to go on. I was just getting prepared to show you how this worked, so that's how that one worked. And this one, when I showed you in the intro, was all locked up. And I thought just before I get to filming, I would loosen these screws because they look like they were a bit rusty. So I've just very quickly loosened those. And you know what that's done? That's made it work. So I don't even need to take this figure apart now. The mechanism is all working. And so I really have nothing more to film on this video. Everything is now doing exactly what it was supposed to do. So there you go. This video, which was going to be one about trying to fix this, has turned into a sort of nothing video because it just actually has started working. I'm not sure why that has happened. Maybe loosening that screw has just sort of let the plastic breathe a little bit, because there's a metal piece inside. You can actually see there's a sort of metal frame. So it may be the plastic had just got a bit pinched, and by undoing those two screws, it's loosened that top section up. In fact, you can see there is now a little bit of give in that section. So there you go. That is it for this video. I was expecting to have to take this guy apart to fix the mechanism, but as you can see, doing very little by just loosening those screws, he is now working, and that Power Rangers Auto Morphin feature is now working again. So yeah, that's it for this video. It really is a little short one, but it's always interesting to see these things, and you never know quite what is going to happen when you take a toy apart. And in this instance, I didn't actually even need to take it apart. So hopefully this video has been of interest to you, even though I've shown you absolutely nothing. If it has, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos.